A starfish burger, butterfly sushi, or a seashell donut? Check out amazing mermaid and fairy fast food ideas in our new video. Mermaid and Fairy are playing floral and marine checkers. This game combines the worlds of the underwater and of the forest. But Mermaid only has one thing on her mind. She's hungry, and all flowers are turning into sea cookies. Fairy has an idea. Let's arrange a cooking battle. What's on our magical menu today? Let's start with something simple. We will see if Fairy can cook French fries. Cut a potato into circles that are ½ inch thick. Cut out stars with a cookie cutter. Fry it so that the vegetable oil covers the potato slices completely. Sprinkle the stars with sea salt when they are ready. Mix 2 ounces of sweet mustard with 2 ounces of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of honey to make sauce. Put the sauce into a container. Put every star onto a wooden skewer and place them around the sauce. These are more than just French fries. Fairy made actual magic wands. And a whole school of potato fish swam over to Mermaid. Cut potatoes into ½ inch thick slices. Cut a fish out of each slice. Cut out an eye. Fry the potato fish in boiling oil. Put them on a paper towel and sprinkle with some sea salt. For the sauce, mix up 2 ounces of mayonnaise with 2 ounces of spreadable cheese. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika and stir. Put it into a plastic container. Place the potato fish onto a plate and decorate it with arugula leaves. Say no to boring vegetables. French fries turn into an unusual dish in our magical world. This snack doesn't stay long on the plates. Fish for Mermaid and stars on sticks for Fairy. These creative French fries were just a warm-up. Fairy goes for sushi. Mermaid makes a sushi set, and Fairy adds colorful chopsticks. Cover half of the chopsticks with acrylic paint. Pick out blue shades for Mermaid and create an ombre effect. Mix glitter with stationery glue and apply it on top. Cover Fairy's chopsticks with pink and red acrylic paints. Apply glitter of the same shade on top. Attach decorations to the tops of the chopsticks. Decorative fishtails and butterflies. At last, we can start eating our unusual sushi rolls. Fairy sushi looks like a bright butterfly. Cook 4 ounces of sushi rice following the instructions on the package. Use water with pink food coloring. Put the pink rice, Philadelphia cream cheese with yellow food coloring, and lightly salted salmon on nori. Make a triangular roll shaped like a drop. Decorate a plate with lettuce and arrange the pink sushi rolls to make a butterfly. Make its antennas from bell pepper and decorate it with roses made from pickled ginger and leaves made from wasabi. And our sea queen tames a rice dragon. Cook rice in water with yellow food coloring and put it on the nori. Turn it over on a bamboo sushi mat. Place a blue-colored strip of Philadelphia cream cheese on the back side. Put some lightly salted salmon near it. Make a square roll. Put slices of avocado on top of the roll and cut it. Place the yellow rolls onto a plate in a snake-like shape. Decorate the dish with seaweed salad. Add Tobiko caviar on top. Decorate it with a ginger flower colored blue. And a dragon face made from an avocado. Pour soy sauce into a seashell-shaped sauce dish. This is more than just sushi, it's a culinary masterpiece. Mermaid quickly takes the plates away when they are empty. Oops! It seems that she went too far with her cleaning. At least Fairy knows her way back. Next time, Mermaid will be more careful while cleaning. The girls still have a ton of recipes to try out. For example, Fairy can even turn a leaf into a burger. Add green food coloring to yeast dough and shape it into a leaf. Make cuts with a knife to make it look like veins. Cover it with a whipped egg. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook 7 ounces of broccoli. Mash it with a fork. Add 1 egg white. Put in 1 tablespoon of flour and a pinch of salt. Shape the mass into a triangular patty. Fry each side of it for 2 minutes. For the sauce, mix mashed avocado, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Assemble the burger. Put a half of the bun onto a pat of arugula leaves. Cover it with the sauce. Put the broccoli patty on top, and then a slice of cheese and Lolo Rosa lettuce. Cover it with the other half of the bun and sauce. Fasten the burger using a wooden skewer decorated with a butterfly. How creative! A vegetable burger for vegetarians? And Mermaid can cook a burger from a starfish. Add pink food coloring to yeast dough and use a cookie cutter to leave an imprint of a star on it. Cut it out following the shape and slightly bend the ends. Make it look like an actual starfish. Cover it with whipped egg and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut crab sticks diagonally. For the batter, we will need 1 egg, 1 fluid ounce of milk, and a 1/4 cup of flour. Dip the crab sticks into the batter and deep fry them. Assemble the burger. Cover half of the bun with tartar sauce. Add Friesi lettuce. Put in the fried crab sticks, triangular slices of cheese, and lettuce. Cover it with the other half of the bun and sauce. Fasten the burger using a wooden skewer decorated with a seashell. Decorate a plate with lettuce. A sea burger with crab sticks, or a vegetable burger with broccoli. Each magical lady has her own diet. Delicious and juicy burgers are more than just nutritious. They also look super cute. There is no room left in their stomachs after those burgers. And what about dessert? No way! But how can we possibly reject donuts? Fairy has a soft, bready flour. Cut a circle out of pre-made dough. Shape petals using a knife to make it look like a flower. Cover up the dough and let it rise. Fry the donut in boiling oil. Use a straw to fill the donut with caramel topping. To make glaze, squeeze juice out of a 1/4 of a lemon into 3½ ounces of powdered sugar. Mix it and put in 1 ounce of melted butter. Add food coloring and cover the donut with the pink glaze. Make the center of the flour donut yellow. Define the outlines using white glaze in a Ziploc bag. Mermaid's donuts look like a mysterious blue shell. Make a circle out of ready dough. Cut out the edges to make a seashell shape. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise. Fry the donut in oil and fill it with chocolate topping. Make the glaze the same way we did for the previous donut. Put in food coloring. Apply the blue glaze to the donut. Make round drippings. Add contours with white glaze. Copy a seashell pattern. Decorate it with white chocolate drops. How can you resist this beauty? Drinks are the only thing missing, but that's easy to fix. Attach double-sided tape to a plastic cup. Print out butterflies and attach them to the cup. Cover the sides of another plastic cup with light clay seaweed. Decorate it with clay stars. Hot glue decorative pearls. Add blue and pink food coloring to Sprite. And pour the colored Sprite into the cups with edible pearl powder. Now we're all done! Glittering colored soda and bright donuts! Now that's what we call a real fairy tale dessert! The girls are full of food and fun! This fast food cooking battle was a success! Did you like our creative recipes? Then write in the comments which dish from our magical menu will you cook for lunch? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new cooking battles on Troom Troom.